Hi, I'm Ken, and I'm really looking forward to being part of the Evangelism Conference being hosted by Mid-America Reformed Seminary. The theme of the conference, of course, is very dear to my heart because I see a world that is drifting away from God. And a world that drifts away from God is filled with loneliness, a lack of purpose, missing a sense of direction, and that, of course, leads to awful things, even things like a rise in suicide rates among young people. But I believe that this is an opportunity for the church. I see this in my prison ministry on a regular basis as I meet men who are experiencing the results of living in a world that has forgotten God as their creator. The session that I'll be leading is called Hands-on Evangelism, Your Story, in God's Story, for Their Story. In it, I'll share some simple and practical ways to use your everyday life, the stories that you tell, the stories of the gospel in your own life that you can use to tell others about Jesus Christ in ways that are personal, natural, and true to Scripture. I hope you'll join us. It's time to tell the story that changes lives.